Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix 2-minute attempts please try again later issue on your Telegram application. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it, so make sure to watch this video till the end. This kind of issue occurs when you're unable to receive your OTP or a verification code on your Telegram application while you're trying to create an account. So what you need to do is, first thing, in order to fix it, don't keep on requesting for the OTP, as this might cause an error, one of the major reasons. In case if this kind of error occurs, you'll have to wait for at least 1 or 2 hours, and after that you can retry it and you might be able to fix it. And if you're still unable to fix it, then you can change your device. And also, if you have a VPN connected to your device, if it is turned on, then you need to turn it off, and similarly, if it is turned off, then you need to turn it on for a while, and this might be able to solve the issue. If none of these seems to be the problem, then what you can do is you can clear cache and data. So in order to clear cache and data, you need to head towards the settings page and then tap on app info. As you click on app info, next you need to click on Telegram, and then you need to click on app info once again. After that, on the settings page, you need to click on apps and notification. You'll need to click on Telegram, and then you need to click on app info, and after that you'll be able to see the storage or the space consumed by Telegram. So right at the bottom you'll have an option as manage space clear cache. You need to click on clear cache and then retry once again. And if you have restriction for certain hours, then what you can do is you can change your date and time, and after that you might be able to fix, or you might be able to get your OTP fixed. So those are the method on how you can fix 2-minute attempt please try again later issue on your Telegram application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.